no, y'all.
Like,
Keep
what
on.
was behind me? I probably said no.
Oh, so I won't sit behind you either.
Oh, when we're upside down.
Oh, great. So if you vomit, make sure it's after we get off the thing. Yeah. But yeah, we're at Stampede now, guys. Yeah, it's looking so fun here.
Yeah, we've been here for like an hour.
Check the fit.
I've been here since like
The fit is eating.
I've been here since.
I get from the field.
Cowboy boots. Cute little fit. I need to redo my lip combo though, because it's not giving.
Get out.
One more time. I was recording before, don't worry. I'm not even here.
Chill. That's just a joke.
Okay.
Turn on your flash. First I'll take you away. Turn on your flash. That's you.
Turn your flash is insane.
You keep this on the song by Michael Song.
Susan, do it.
Come on.
If you don't want to play, leave. Okay, just this way. Just a second. Just a second. God damn.
Humble, Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
Sit down. Oh wait, is that the prayer part?
I also have a natural.
I remember when Nikki from Manhattan did this cover last year. Did you hear that, chat? Did you guys hear that? Yeah.